Welcome to 20 Incline Drive, located just off the Klickitat Appleton Highway here in Lisle, Washington. This incredibly unique development towers over the beautiful, wild, and scenic Klickitat River and has booming views of the Klickitat River Canyon. And if you are a local, this spot is just across the road from Hang Gliders Lookout. Boasting on over 6 acres of forested property stands this amazing, unfinished A-frame home waiting for you to come and finish it and put the final touches. This home was constructed to be a vacation property or a short-term rental property to get away from the big city and surround yourself in recreation and peace and tranquility. This 3 or 4 bedroom, whichever you decide, 2-bathroom home is planned to be approximately 2,500 square feet. Not to mention, the views are spectacular all around. So if you're a builder, contractor, investor, or just looking to have a fun project for the summer, this might be the building project for you. So if you know someone looking for a project like this, or you're interested yourself, I would love to send you digital renderings, the floor plan, and walk you around this amazing home and property. Just give the JDRE team a call.